You can do it, sweetie. Swing your leg over. Swing that leg over. Swing that leg over like you just did. Swing your leg over, sweetie. Where's your leg? Get your leg. Check the wheel pressure. Good. The wheel's good. Your toes on the back side. I think she's stuck. Oh no, there she goes. She's looking a little worried there. This is a workout. She's getting frustrated. She keeps lifting her leg up on the other side, but she can't get it over. She just did it right before I started filming. She managed to get herself on top of it, and then she got off, and now she's having a hard time doing it again. Lift your leg. Where's your leg? Where's your leg, sweetie? There you go. Pick it up. You dancing? You dancing? You driving? You driving, sweetie? There we go. Now we're moving. Yeah, we're moving. You driving the car? Turn that wheel. There you go. Hit mommy. Oh, here, let's move these pillows out the way. Gotta move those obstacles out of the way. Let's see what she's doing. I think it exhausted her. I think trying to move that car made her tired.